a very big, incredibly embarrassing dream. This time, wrong throw to a wrong person. I'm not a person who dream a lot. I'm a person who love to go with the flow. Reason I have mentioned many a times. Allow me to repeat that same today. I did not choose many things in my life. I do not choose many things in my life almost every single day. But what I choose is how to react. And that's what is in my control when I dream big, and of course, is something to disappoint me. I used to do it when I was quite young, when I was high in energy. I'm still high in energy, but now my energy is high but sensible too. And now I know what is in my control and what is not in my control. So I don't really dream big, but I do try my best wherever I am. And I know something right now is not possible to achieve. If I like to fly to be somewhere, I would like to be somewhere, but I know that it's not possible immediately. It will take some time, it will take some resources. So there is no such embarrassing big dream which I have ever faced in my life which has disappointed me a lot and made me feel literally embarrassed and small. So ladies and gentlemen, we need to understand what is our limitations, what are our limitations, and what are our resources, what are our abilities, eligibilities, everything we need to understand, delve into it, develop them, and then act or react. That's what I try to do. I'm not a person who is wise, but live with I live my life with wise people. I live with them, live with wise people. Many of you are wise people to me. So when I learn from your life and I understand what is my worth, what is my abilities, then accordingly I dream. And in nutshell, I don't really dream, but live my life to the fullest, best to my abilities. I am blessed with. Ladies and gentlemen, know yourself well, avoid dreaming because that's sheer embarrassment and sheer what do you call disappointment. Back to you, ma'am.